Hey beach buddies, welcome to my channel Ocean Vibes. Let's get to know each other. I'm Sophie, the beach lover exploring awesome sandy sports and the cool sounds of the ocean. Let's go on a trip together and check out beaches from all over the world. My goal is simple: to show off the spatial beauty of each beach I find. Imagine walking on soft sand with the sun saying bye in a bunch of pretty colors as you stroll along the shore, and that's just the start. I will show you islands with clear water and untouched beaches. It's like a piece of heaven on earth, and my camera is your ticket to this tropical paradise. Let's head to a place where nature's beats mix with calm blue waters. It's a cool experience, and I'm thrilled to bring this beach journey to your screens. Through my blog and videos, I'm inviting you to not just see, but feel the warm sun and soft sands. Let's go on a trip together to explore the coolest beaches, where every step is an adventure and every sunset is like a work of art. So get ready for a fun ride with me. We're going to discover awesome places in our planet, one beach at a time.